Next would be the dictionaries. So dictionaries are collections of key value elements. You see here there are plenty of there are key value elements. They are more like this, and you can also add more elements. This is the way you add elements in dictionaries. There is no append method. For example, tell.append something like this x. This gives you an error. Dix has no attribute that is append. Yet you have this assignment here that allows you to add elements to the dictionary. If you want to append the way with which we list, you would do it this way with the assignments. Tell of Jack, we can here instead of accessing the data with the index, we access it with the key value. So here Jack, here we will access it with Jack, and we access to this information here. If we delete the tell of shape and we create a new one, IRV 4127, so we have the new one without this one. So let's say you want to update this SAP guy with IRV, and you have it this way. So you can also list of tell, like what is tell, like the list. If you apply the list function on tell, it will give you the list of keys. Here let's say returns the list of keys. Here if you sort tell, so sorted of tell, it's also like it sorts just the keys. So it's always it returns the list of the keys that are sorted. So here guido intel. So we have so if the membership we use the membership operator using here. It's to assess the membership in the list of the keys. The same here, we can assess it with not in, and actually it's false because Jack is intel. So here we can also create a dictionary this way by a list of tuples of key value. It's a list of tuples, and it gives us a dict with the dict function. We can create it this way by having two dots here, like between x and x squared. And we can do it this way with the keyword assignments, like with keyword arguments, and we can create the dictionary.